mean, the Patriots. This is not that team. This is the
It's
Patriots.
definitely not.
We're talking about a guy that needs to. Robert Kraft needs to actually think about things and get a seasoned coach to coach
Drake May. Thank you for the call.
Yeah, I think his overall point is somewhat there. I think Robert Kraft is far too worried about the PR of selecting a head coach and doing all that than he is about actually winning football games. And that's what infuriates me.
Yeah, the PR aspect of it's going to be a big one, but eventually that's going to point to getting rid of Gerard May. I mean, I'm sorry, that's the way the PR swings. That's the pendulum. He knows that. I mean, he's been doing this a while. He's fired some coaches. He's hired some coaches. It's been a long time since he's had to make these kind of decisions.